Really? Are you really thinking about buying this product? First, let me tell you a few things. Today we are going to talk about Joint Restore Gummies. We big your deals. We have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before you buy Joint Restore Gummies. I also have some really important warnings, which I will talk about throughout the video. So pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing Joint Restore Gummies. The first thing you need to know about Joint Restore Gummies is be careful about the website you are going to buy Joint Restore Gummies from, because Joint Restore Gummies is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I left the link to the official site below in the description of this video and also in the first comment. So what is Joint Restore Gummies, and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Joint Restore Gummies works because it rebuilds your knees and joints from the inside out and frees you from joint and muscle pain by using its natural ingredients. These ingredients dramatically reduce markers of stiffness, swelling and inflammation in adults. These gummies are formulated so that they taste good and help you get relief from persistent joint pain. Unlike modern medicines, science has shown that joint restoration gummies can never cause harm or worsen the inflammatory response. This supplement has gone through several lab tests and has a proven track record of relieving joint pain. Joint Restore Gummies taste great and can be used daily to repair and restore the damaged tissues that cause knee pain. Joint Restore Gummies are formulated by Prosper Wellness, a well-known brand in the health and wellness market. Joint Restore Gummies work by using various ingredients to improve joint pain. Joint Restore Gummies reviews have thousands of people attesting to the effectiveness of this product. They have written in their reviews how their hips no longer hurt, and they have finally found a product that really does what it says. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Joint Restore Gummies. Even the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Joint Restore Gummies, and you can have results too. But beware. Due to strong demand, secure your order today while stocks last, or you may have to wait a long time before Joint Restore Gummies is available again. That's why we recommend securing a 3 to 6 month supply today. Take advantage of our special price just for today. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. I am so sure that you will love the product and you will have the only lifetime satisfaction guarantee you have ever seen. If at any time you decide that Joint Restore just isn't for you, just send an email to our support and you'll be refunded immediately. Customers love Joint Restore Gummies. They've almost never had to give their money back. But if that is not the case for you, it will be done. So, I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful about the website you are going to buy Joint Restore Gummies from, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Joint Restore Gummies really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here to the Big Your Deals channel. Thanks for watching this video, enjoy and share. See you soon.